Welcome back on Reti Educational Academy YouTube channel. In this video, I will share IBA screening test intermediate category paper held on 24th June 2023. Paper 7 and portion computer. Question number 91. The type of software that is used to create and edit text documents is C. Word processing software. Question number 92. The type of computer memory that is used temporarily stores data and instructions that are currently being processed. And the correct answer is B. Random access memory RAM. Question number 93. The type of computer virus that is designed to spread from computer to computer over a network. And the correct answer is B. Worm. Question number 94. The type of computer network that covers a large geographic area such as country. And the correct answer is B. Wide area network WAN. Question number 95. The type of multimedia file format that commonly used for audio files. And the correct answer is B. WAV. WAV. Question number 96. The type of computer program that is used to perform a specific task such as creating a spreadsheet or editing an image. And the correct answer is C. Application software. Question number 97. The type of computer virus that is designed to disguise itself as a legitimate program or file. And the correct answer is A. Trojan horse. Question number 98. The type of computer program that is used to control the hardware and software resources of a computer system. And the correct answer is A. Utility programs. Question number 99. The type of computer security threats that is designed to steal sensitive information such as username, password, and credit card information. And the right answer is D. Phishing. Question number 100. The type of non-volatile storage device that is used to store data permanently even when the power is turned off. And the correct answer is B. ROM. Read-only memory. Subscribe Reti Educational Academy YouTube channel and follow us on TikTok and Facebook. Thank you. Stay connected.